orders, maximum impact, a designer's guide to low MOQ manufacturing. Hello everyone and welcome back to Finesse Couture Insights. I'm Sweta and today we're diving into a game-changing topic for designers at every stage of their journey, low minimum order quantities or low MOQs. Have you ever felt boxed in by manufacturers demanding huge order volumes that just don't fit with your boutique vision or budget? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, we'll explore how partnering with manufacturers that allow flexible order sizes, it can transform your creative process and business strategy. We're going to break down why low MOQs are so valuable, the hurdles manufacturers face with them, and the insider tips you need to make these collaborations work for your brand. Think smart production, creative freedom, and sustainable growth, all rolled into one. If you enjoy this conversation, hit subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to tap into the notification bell for more industry insights. Understanding MOQs, the manufacturing baseline. Let's start by laying the foundation. What exactly are MOQs and why do they dominate the manufacturing landscape? What are MOQs? Minimum Order Quantity. This is simply the smallest number of units a manufacturing factory is ready to produce for a particular style or order. Industry standard, MOQs are ubiquitous, not just in fashion but across most manufacturing sectors. Why do factories have MOQs? Efficiency and scale. Larger runs means the setup process like production line, alignment and labor allocation is more cost effective on per unit basis. Setup cost recovery. Every new design carries fixed costs. Think pattern making, sample development, machine calibration. MOQs help absorb these expenses. Supply constraints. Factories often need to meet their own MOQs from fabric mills, trim suppliers and dye houses. They naturally pass these minimums on. Streamlined operations. Consistent, substantial orders can help manufacturers plan resources, staff, and scheduling more precisely. By understanding this, you can better appreciate the challenges and opportunities when you're looking for a partner willing to work with smaller runs. The designer advantage. Why low MOQs are crucial. For designers, especially those in couture or niche markets, low MOQs are more than just a convenience. They are a strategic advantage. Launch flexibility and market testing. Reduced risk. Experiment with new styles or unconventional designs without committing to a massive production run. Gauge the market response first. Faster iteration. Quick feedback means you can refine your creation in real time. Financial agility and cash flow. Lower upfront investment. With smaller production runs, you free up capital instead of tying it up unsold inventory. Budget friendly. This is crucial for emerging designers or smaller brands that need to manage every rupee carefully. Brand exclusivity and reduced waste. Limited edition appeal. Small batches mean you can offer truly exclusive collections that boost your brand's allure. Minimized overstock. Avoid the pitfalls of unsold products which strain both your finances and the environment. Sustainable and responsive marketing. Just-in-time production. Only produce what you need. Cutting down on wastage and energy usage. Agility in demand. Respond quickly to your customers instead of relying on long-range forecasts. This approach not only supports your artistic vision but also bolsters your brand's resilience and sustainability in a fast-paced market. The manufacturer's perspective. Challenges of low MOQs. While low MOQs present a goldmine of opportunities for designers, they bring undeniable logistic challenges for manufacturers. Understanding these helps in building stronger, more empathetic partnerships. Cost and efficiency challenges. Higher setup costs per unit. With fewer items to absorb the fixed costs of sampling, patterning, or machine setup, the unit cost inevitably goes up. Limited process optimization. Manufacturers invest more time and resources per piece compared to streamlined, large batch production. Material sourcing complexities. Supply limitations. High quality, unique materials are often bound by their own MOQs, making it harder for smaller orders. Negotiation power. Smaller orders mean less leverage when it comes to securing competitive prices on materials. Production and scheduling issue. Frequent changeovers. Constantly switching production for diverse orders disrupts efficiency. Complex planning. Managing multiple small batches requires agile scheduling and versatile production teams. Versatile workforce demands skilled adaptability. Production teams must master a variety of techniques as opposed to just one repetitive process. Recognizing these factors paves the way for more collaborative discussion with your manufacturing partners, one where both sides understand the trade-offs and work together to create a win-win solution. Finding and nurturing low MOQ partnerships. Now, let's get practical. How can you, as a designer, locate and cultivate relationships with manufacturers that support low MOQ production? Identify specialized factories. Target the right players. Focus on manufacturers who cater to couture, bridal, bespoke, or high-end contemporary markets. Their business models are often built around flexibility and precision rather than volume. Do your research. Use your network and ask for trusted referrals. Look for factories known for embracing independent designers and offering small batch or sampling services. Cultivate a partnership mindset. Long-term collaboration. Approach your manufacturer not as a mere transaction, but as a strategic partner. Long-term trust is built on mutual respect and a shared vision. Stay in constant communication. Regular updates and an open line of dialogue about expectations, timelines, and potential hiccups can preempt many issues. Be thorough in your preparation. Detailed tech packs. A comprehensive tech pack minimizes errors and reduces the setup time for smaller runs. Organized workflow. Keeping your approvals, requests, and feedback well structured helps the factory plan their production effectively. Trust the process. Realistic timelines. Recognize that exceptional craftsmanship takes time, even in small batches. Value the expertise. Acknowledge the unique skills and efforts required by your manufacturing partner to accommodate your creative needs. By fostering these relationships on a foundation of clear communication and mutual respect, you will be well on your way to sustainable, agile production. The balance, cost, flexibility, and fair partnerships. Finally, it's crucial to strike the right balance between cost, flexibility, and a fair deal for both parties. Understanding the true cost. Higher unit prices. Yes, low MOQ runs might carry a higher unit cost due to the setup costs. But remember, you're investing in flexibility and reduced risk. Value beyond the numbers. Factor in the benefits, lower inventory costs, creative freedom, and the ability to innovate without feeling overwhelmed or overcommitted. Emphasizing transparency and fair pricing. Honest dialogues ensure both you and your partner are clear about pricing, structures, and the factors that contribute to the cost. Mutual respect. A successful partnership means understanding each other's challenges and sharing the value fairly. Investing in long-term growth. Building sustainable bonds. Focus on cultivating a relationship that will underpin your brand's growth over the long haul rather than opting for the cheapest short-term solution. When you approach each production run with an eye toward fairness and mutual growth, you set the stage, or for a resilient and adaptive business. Low MOQ manufacturing isn't just a production choice, it's a strategic decision that empowers creative freedom, reduces risk, and supports sustainable fashion. While it poses challenges on the manufacturing end, the right partnerships, clear communication, and realistic expectations can make it a transformative element for your business. Thank you for tuning in to Finesse Couture Insights. I'm Sweta, reminding you to keep designing, stay innovative, and build your brand with purpose. Until next time, design fearlessly.